So the recipe we wanted to share with you today is simple. It's a veggie stir fry recipe. And you know what's interesting is there is no really set way to make a stir fry by saying like a cup of this and 2 cups of that, and it's just what you have in your fridge. That's how we make stir fries all the time, is what is in our fridge. And a good base for stir fries is onion and garlic sauteed, maybe some ginger, some fresh grated ginger in there as well. It is also nice flavor and natural flavor in a salad. And then, you know, some a root vegetable like carrots, for example, celery, peppers, and then you can add whatever you'd like. We enjoy broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini in our stir fries. A lot of times I think people kind of turn their nose up at stir fries because the way that we cook them is they get mushy. And nobody likes mushy meals. So consider cooking your harder vegetables first and then adding the softer ones. So cooking your celery and your carrots first, and then adding softer vegetables like mushrooms and peppers.
Oh, excuse me.
What?
I'm pretty sure that when you cook a stir fry, you just throw everything in together. I'm calling you out.
I'm just saying. Okay, let me explain. This is not very nice of him to do to me.
Putting her on the spot.
We enjoy our veggies crunchy, though.
That's right.
So it does work. If you want to throw them all in together like me, because I do. He's right. I throw all the veggies in together. But your harder vegetables are going to be crunchy, right?
Yeah.
So if you're okay with that, because we enjoy our veggies crunchies, we like our carrots and our celery crunchy.
Right.
So if you're okay with that, then by all means, throw it all together. But I was just trying to describe a way that all your veggies are cooked a bit more equally.
Yeah, I'm just messing around. You can throw everything in together. We like our vegetables crunchy, and they should be a bit crunchy. If you know, we all know what it's like to have like boiled vegetables and they're like mush, they fall apart in your mouth. Vegetables should not melt in your mouth. Like what was that? Like M&M's?
Sure.
M&M's melt in your mouth?
I don't remember.
Melt in your mouth, not in your hand. Come on.
Maybe M&M Smarties. I don't know.
So, maybe Smarties. But so stir fry or vegetables are not meant to melt in your mouth or fall apart. You should be able to chew them. So for me, I like to throw in the carrots and celery and let them saute a bit so they're a bit softer, because peppers and mushrooms, for example, don't take very long. So it just depends on where you're at in your journey. You can throw them all in together, but we suggest to make it a bit easier for you in increments, because like cauliflower, broccoli, it does take a bit longer.
Yeah, just be careful not to overcook, like Drew says, because nobody likes a mushy stir fry.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then you could, if you want to, throw on a little hot sauce as well onto the stir fry occasionally.
You want to spice it up.
If you want to spice it up.
Everybody asks what we put in what do you put in your stir fry to flavor it? And we're like, nothing. But that's because we gave our taste buds a chance to change. And also, sometimes you can throw on lemon in there, lemon, Himalayan salt, cilantro, all nice toppings. But again, that's food. We don't rarely use, except for hot sauce, for example, once in a while. But if I think you really ruin the whole experience if you dump a bunch of soy sauce, for example, or teriyaki sauce, or those packaged sauces with 400 ingredients.
Yeah.
So give yourself a chance to transition into a healthier type of meal.
Yeah, because you spend all of that time chopping and preparing the stir fry, and then by throwing on toxic sauces, it ruins the nutritional value, right?
Yeah,
So
sure.
try your best.